Hi, this is Mark from Wiki Design. Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a fake Google review from your business profile. So the first thing you might be asking yourself is, why did I get a fake review? How did I get a fake review? And I've come up with two major reasons on why you might have been getting fake reviews. And the first one is, it's possible that you have a competitor in your market that is simply just trying to outrank you. And so what they can do is actually go on these shady websites and purchase fake reviews against your company. And if you get enough bad reviews, it's possible that your ranking could start to dip. The next reason is, and this happened in our situation, is a competitor purchased fake reviews on their behalf, and in order to make the fake review seem like a human, they actually went ahead and just kind of started randomly choosing other local businesses around the area and just leaving fake reviews. So that's the hardest one to get rid of, because there's really no way to verify that that person isn't or wasn't one of your clients. So here's an example of a real website where you can actually purchase fake Google reviews. I hid everything that mentions the website URLs or any of their graphics. I don't want to give them any advertisements, but I wanted to show you how it is that you can actually go ahead and purchase fake reviews, and how people are doing it. Like I said, this is really shady practices. Don't ever do this. It's not worth it. But you can see right here that you can get USA profiles, and you could choose different countries, and they don't use fake bots. It's sad, but this is what you have to deal with when you're running a business online now. And you can see you can actually purchase as few as 5. You can go up to 500 if you wanted to purchase fake reviews. But yeah, this is not good practice at all. I just wanted to show you this is how people are doing it. Okay, and the first thing you need to do when you get your fake review is actually respond to it as soon as possible. If you can, try to respond to it within 24 hours. I know it doesn't make a lot of sense that you're going to be responding to something that you know for a fact is 100% fake, but it's important to do it, not only for like ranking factors, but actually to show your customers that you offer good support and that you will respond to comments quickly. So you can see right here, this is our fake review. This guy named Creed John left us a fake review, and this is my response to him. I just said, sorry Creed, I believe you left this review for the wrong company. We have never worked together. Have a great day. That's all you need to do. Just keep it short and sweet, and make sure you mention that we've never worked together, and that you could put this is a potential fake review under pending review from Google. You can put something like that in there. So now that you've replied to the fake review, it's now going to be public on your business profile. The next step you need to do is actually flag it as inappropriate. So the easiest way to kind of do this is go into your Google My Business dashboard, click reviews, and just click this button right here, flag as inappropriate. And of course, Google is way, way behind on processing these requests. So they say it might take a few days, but in my experience, it takes more like a week before they can actually remove it. So the first thing to do is click continue. And once you do that, you just fill out this form and hit submit. This is the part that is the hardest, because you're going to have to just wait until Google responds. And sometimes they don't respond at all. So the next method I'm going to show you is what to do if you haven't heard from them in about a week. So now you flagged your review as inappropriate, waited a week. Now the next step is to actually contact Google directly and try to get a solid answer. So the next method is to go to your Google My Business Help community while you're logged in. And the steps are pretty simple. You just click Contact Us, go down to Customer Reviews, Manage Customer Reviews, and from here you can request a callback, chat, and email. I've used both the callback and the chat before. I haven't used email. I actually prefer the chat because you get a log, but as you can see right here, it's unavailable. So it's kind of random. I don't know their scheduling, but you can request a callback. So let's say we wanted to do that. You just click this and just fill out all this information. You're going to have to get the URL of your business profile and they'll call you. So I can tell you what happened to us is somebody in our local market hired somebody to do a fake review. His name is Creed John. It's not a real human being. It doesn't even sound real. But I contacted Google directly through chat, and after a couple minutes, they basically came back to me and said, yes, it's possible that this is a fake review, but we won't remove it. And I asked why. And the reason is because there's no way to really verify that he's not one of our clients. And so Google doesn't want to get involved with personal disputes. They're not lawyers. They don't care, to be honest with you. So there's a really, really good possibility that you go through all of these steps and they won't remove your Google review. We had one other one before Mr. Creed John, and they removed it within a couple of days. That one was much easier to spot as fake because this woman left reviews with the same exact review to multiple companies within the same day using the same text. So they easily, if they see a repeated pattern, they will delete it pretty instantly. Whereas in our case, I had to wait a week. Then I did this process. Then I got my answer. So I haven't messed with it since then, and I'm just going to leave it there. That's all you can really do. The next method would be if there is real legal action that you need to take. So the last method is if the fake review clearly states something that is considered illegal, then you can actually submit a legal request through Google. So once you get to this URL, you can submit legal request, come down here to this tool, and then just follow the prompts here. So you would go to like Google My Business and you just follow the information here. I've never done this personally, but this is only if the post clearly states something that is considered illegal. And of course, if they don't respond the way that you think that they should, then you're going to have to take it upon your own hands. At that point, I would reach out to that person directly, if you can ever figure out who that person is, and consider taking your own personal legal action. Like I said, never done this route before, and I don't know, no clients of mine have or anything like that, so I don't know how long this will take through Google and if it even is worth it. So those are all the different methods that you can use to try to contact Google about your fake review. And like I said, it's really aggravating when this happens, and there's a really good possibility that it's going to happen to your business because of competitors are threatened by you, and anything along those lines. And you can see how easy it was for me to go to one of these shady websites and purchase fake reviews. It's not hard. So anybody can do it. And Google at this current time is really, really bogged down by the amount of scammers and spam on their reviews. Hopefully they'll have a process in the future to fix this problem and do better verifications, because as of right now, anybody can just set up a Google account and leave fake reviews all day. So I hope you liked this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future. Thanks. This is Mark from Wiki Design.